Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Here some specific angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Let us start with 45 degree. Sin 45 degree, cos 45 degree and tan 45 degree. Then cot 45 degree is the reciprocal of tan 45 degree. Cos sec 45 degree is the reciprocal of cos 45 degree. Cosec 45 degree is the reciprocal of sin 45 degree. We have to remember sin 45 degree value and cos 45 degree value. This is 1 by root 2. This is 1 by root 2. We know the cosine relation. So tan 45 degree is equal to sin 45 degree by cos 45 degree. So 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. This is 1. Now cot 45 degree, the reciprocal of tan 45 degree. The reciprocal of 1 is 1. The reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. The reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. One can ask that why sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2 and cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Let us prove it. For that we have to make isosceles right triangle. Means the right triangle having legs equal. You know that in this triangle angle C will be 45 degree. In isosceles triangle AB is equal to BC. That's why angles opposite to them are equal, and we know that sum of angles opposite to equal sides. Also angle A plus angle C is equal to sum of acute angles in right triangle. This implies that 2 angle C is equal to 90 degree. Angle C is equal to, this is our equation 1. So from 1 we can write angle A as angle C. So 2 angle C is 90 degree. If this is A, then this is also A. By Pythagoras theorem, AC is A square plus A square, 2A square. This is A root 2. Now sin 45 degree, sin C is equal to, you can write sin C is equal to AB by AC. AB is A and AC is A root 2. So 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree is equal to cos C, and cos for C base is BC. This is 1 by root 2, right? Now for 60 degree and 30 degree, we have to make equilateral triangle, because AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. it has all sides equal, is equal to AC. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. Triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by, see students, these two triangles are right angle triangles, so we can apply RHS rule. Here hypotenuse are equal, this AD base, this AD side is common, so these two triangles are congruent by RHS rule. Triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC, implies that BD is equal to CD CPCT, BC by 2 is equal to A by 2. Now by Pythagoras theorem, in right triangle ADB, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. From here we have AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Here AB is A, so A square BD is A by 2. A square minus A square by 4. This is 4A square minus A square, 3A square by, this is our AD square. From here we have AD is equal to square root of 3 by 2 into A. Now this is root 3 by 2 into A. This is 60 degree, and this will be, we can write angle BAD is equal to angle CAD, CPCT. This is 60 degree by 2, which is 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. Now we can write sine 60 degree. For sine 60 degree we have sine B, and for B perpendicular is AD by hypotenuse is AB. So AD is root 3 by 2 and AB is A. So we have root 3 by 2. Now cos 60 degree, and the cos 60 degree will be base by, this is cos B, for B base is BD and hypotenuse is AB. So we have A by 2 by A, this is 1 by 2, cos 60 degree 1 by 2. Now we can find tan 60 degree on dividing sin 60 degree by cos 60 degree. Let us find sin 30 degree. So sin 30 degree is equal to sin angle BAD. So for BAD we have perpendicular BD and hypotenuse AB. So BD is A by 2. We have 1 by 2 here. Sin 30, now cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to cos angle BAD. For angle BAD, base is AD, hypotenuse is, here AD is root 3 by 2 into A, and AB is A. From here we have root 3 by, so cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Now we can write other values. sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. 30 degree, sin 30 degree we have obtained 1 by 2, cos 30 degree we have obtained root 3 by 2, tan 30 degree sin 30 degree by root 3 by 2 we have 1 by root 3, cot 30 degree reciprocal of tan 30, sec 30 reciprocal of cos 30. Cosec 30 is reciprocal of sin 30. Now for 60 degree, sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Now dividing this with this, if we know sin and cos, then we can write rest three ratios. Tan 60 degree will be sin 60 degree by cos 60 degree, this is root 3. Cot 60 degree will be reciprocal of tan 60, sec 60 reciprocal of cos 60, cosec 60 reciprocal of sin 60. See students, now T ratios for 90 degree. When theta tends to 90 degree, when theta tends to 90 degree means angle C becomes 90 degree, then you see that BC decreases, right? This is BC, this goes on decreasing, BC tends to 0 and AC tends to, you see that this AC and this AC, this becomes, this wants to become AB, so BC becomes equal to 0. When theta becomes 90 degree, BC becomes 0 and AC becomes equal to AB. Now sin 90 degree is equal to sin theta, and theta is AB by AC. Both are equal, so AB by AB, this is 1. Now cos 90 degree, cos 90 degree, cos theta, and for theta base is BC by AC. BC becomes 0, AC becomes AB, so 0 by AB is 0. Now theta tends to 0, this is our theta, angle C is equal to theta which tends to 0 degree. Then you can see AB tends to 0 and AC tends to become equal to BC. When theta becomes equal to 0 degree, then AB is equal to 0 and AC is equal to, you can see this is our theta. So जैसे जैसे थीटा घट रहा है, तुम देख रहे हो AB का लेंथ घट रहा है, और जैसे ही थीटा 0 हो जाएगा, यह जो C है 0 हो जाएगा, AB 0 हो जाएगा। तुम यह देखो जैसे जैसे थीटा घट रहा है, AC घटे जा रहा है और AC का लेंथ BC हो जाएगा जब थीटा 0 डिग्री हो जाएगा। अब इतना इन्फॉर्मेशन से हम साइन 0 डिग्री निकाल सकते हैं। साइन थीटा इज परपेंडिकुलर बाय hypotenuse. Here perpendicular becomes 0, hypotenuse becomes base, so 0. Cos 0 degree is cos theta, so base by, here for theta base is BC by AC. BC and AC are equal, this is 1. Now you can justify why this T ratio has such values. Sin 0 degree is 0, cos 0 degree is 1, Now you can find tan 0 degree. 0 by 1, 0. Reciprocal of 0. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Undefined. Reciprocal of sec 0. Sec 0 is reciprocal of 1. 1. Cosec 0 is reciprocal of 0, which is undefined. 90 degree. Sin 90 degree is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Now tan 0, 1 by 0 is undefined. This is also called infinity. Now cot. So reciprocal of infinity undefined is 0. Sec 90. Sec 90 is reciprocal of cos 90, which is infinity. Cosec 90 reciprocal of sin 90, which is 1. Now how to remember and make the table for such angles? If you can write sin and cos for each of these angles, you can write rest, tan, cot, and so the way is you have to written here. How to write the table is you have to written here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now divide each one by 4. Take a square root of each one. 0 by 4 is 0, so its square root is 0. 1 by 4, its square root is 1 by 2. 2 by 4, its square root is 1 by root 2. Here its square root is root 3 by 2. Here it is 1. Now you can write cos. Starting from here you can write 1 is written here, root 3 by 2 is written here, 1 by root 2 is written here, it is 1 by 2, it is 0. So sin 0 degree 0, sin 30 degree 1 by 2, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree root 3 by 2, sin 90 degree 1. Let me repeat. You have to write firstly 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and you have to divide each one by 4. Right? This is the way how to remember these values. Now you should start from here. After you have to divide each one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4. Then you have to take a square root of each one. Now 0 by 4 is 0, whose square root is 0. 1 by 4, whose square root is 1 by 2. Here 2 by 4, here we have 1 by root 2. The square root of 1 by 2 is 1 by root 2. The square root of 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2. The square root of 4 by 4 is 1. Now see, cos 0 degree is cos 90 degree. We start from here, we write 1 here, root 3 by 2 here, 1 by root 2 here, 1 by 2 here, 0 here. Now we can write tan, cot, tan. Tan is sin by cos, so 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. We have 1 by root 3. Here we have 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. This is 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. We have 1 by 0 is infinity. Now cot. We know that cot is reciprocal of tan. So cot is reciprocal of 0 is infinity. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 is 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of infinity is 1 by 0. So reciprocal of 1 by 0 is 0 by 1, which is 0. Now sec. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2 by 1, so root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 0 is infinity. Reciprocal means reciprocal of a by b is b by a. Now cosec. We know that cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So cosec 0 degree is reciprocal of sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree is 0, so infinity. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. You have to remember these values. I will check tomorrow. They are very important. At least you should learn how to make the table.